Y'all, they got cats versus pickles. I don't really like pickles. I don't eat pickles, but I do love cats. And it probably don't help that I can go, but I don't know. Let's get it. This one has it. I swear. I don't know why I don't bring freaking scissors out here when I try to open these things. I don't want to see what it is. I want the checklist though. We have a lot. We do have a lot. Hobby. Diamondback. I want Diamondback. Oh, they got heart graffiti. I want this one. I'm seeing a whole lot of cats, but not a lot of pickles. I'm seeing a whole lot of cats, but not a lot of pickles. Alright, let's see. I got a cat! And it has a good little guitar. It has music notes all over it. Let's see. What's the name? Serenade. Allow me to play you a perfect tune. That's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. I want one of the oddball ones. Earlier was cows versus aliens, and I got a cow. Cat versus pickles, I got a cat. I want one of the other ones. Will I get lucky? I have dog versus donuts next, so let's hope I get a donut. Let's hope.